Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are talking about beautiful and easy hairstyle ideas for women over 60. No matter your age, you can look stylish, fresh and confident with the right hairstyle. Let's explore some simple and lovely hairstyle. First, the short pixie cut. This hairstyle is very easy to manage. It is short, light and comfort. A pixie cut gives a fresh and modern look and saves a lot of time. Next is the bob haircut. A bob is always in style. It can be short or medium length. It frames the face nicely and gives a soft and elegant look. You can add layers to make your hair look fuller. Another great option is the layered haircut. Layers add volume and movement to your hair. This is very helpful if your hair is thin. It gives a soft and youthful appearance. Now let's talk about the shoulder length hairstyle. This is perfect if you don't like very short hair. You can tie it, leave it open or make soft waves. It gives you many styling choose. The soft curls hairstyle is also a lovely idea. Soft curls make your hair look fuller and more lively. It is simple but very beautiful. Another easy idea is the straight and sleek look. This hairstyle looks neat and clean. It is perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. Let's not forget the low bun hairstyle. A low bun is a classic and graceful look. It keeps your hair neat and gives a very elegant style. A short shaggy cut is also very trendy. It gives a relaxed and natural look. It is easy to maintain and perfect for a casual style. You can also try side bangs. Side bangs make your face look softer and add a stylish touch to your haircut. Here are some simple and stylish haircut tips. Keep your hair clean and moisturized. Trim your hair regularly. Choose a hairstyle that is easy for you to manage, and always pick a style that makes you feel happy and confident. Remember, beauty has no age limit. With the right hairstyle, you can look and feel amazing at any age. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.